From 0 hits to millions in just one video, although this may come as a surprise to you, average people like you and I have recently been pocketing 5 to 6, even 7 figures monthly from YouTube by utilizing a precise formula which involves uploading simple, easy to create videos, while remaining anonymous and never having to hit the record button. They then effortlessly repeat the same process time and time again, posting viral video after viral video. It's not magic, it's a well-kept secret of a hidden group of YouTubers who have cracked the code to viral success. After months of extensive research and investigation, we finally uncovered the truth. Brace yourselves as we're about to expose what these faceless YouTuber millionaires don't want you to know. We're going to uncover the exact genius formula these individuals use to achieve such heightened levels of success. You don't want to miss this. Let's break it down. It's no secret that YouTube wants one thing and one thing only: to keep you entertained on the platform for as long as possible. In extension, they handsomely reward content creators in return for helping them achieve this goal. Creating algorithm-worthy videos boils down to mastering 2 simple metrics. Understanding them and implementing them in the right way guarantees hitting hundreds of thousands to millions of views on YouTube. The first of these metrics is known as click-through rate, or CTR for short. Simply put, CTR is the measure of video clicks compared to thumbnail impressions. Achieving a high CTR is crucial and often the key component to a video going viral. You're probably thinking, what's the process for achieving high CTR? I'm glad you asked. The answer is relatively simple. By creating a striking thumbnail and coupling it with a title so captivating that you feel like you're missing out if you don't click on it immediately. Seriously, they want their audience to feel like they'll regret it for the rest of their lives if they don't click on the video. Sounds familiar? This is the algorithm's first deciding factor on whether to push your video to more people or limit it from being seen. Next up, average view duration, or AVD for short. As the name suggests, it measures the average time viewers spend watching your video relative to the total video length. In summary, CTR measures how you reel them in, while AVD measures how long you keep them hooked. A high CTR and AVD means that the video is ultimately achieving YouTube's goals. In turn, the algorithm rewards content creators with massive exposure. But wait, let's rewind. How does this tie into the faceless YouTube millionaires that we mentioned earlier? Well, these business-minded individuals have been silently exploiting the algorithm and creating viral content factories for years, generating a ridiculous amount of income in the process through various ways of monetization tactics. The reality of the matter is that these faceless channels manage to master the metrics on such a scale that they can almost guarantee success in any new channel they decide to launch. Now that you know what's been going on behind the scenes, let's dive deeper and analyze more thoroughly. The story only gets better from here, because mastering the art of creating viral content isn't where the rabbit hole ends. These opportunists have now discovered the secret of scaling their success to mind-blowing levels. That secret is in the art of outsourcing skills using websites like Fiverr. We'll dig deeper into this in our next upcoming video, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. By repeating this process again and again, the mystery individuals behind all these faceless channels have, in effect, been steadily engineering portfolios of online assets which generate passive income for them, considering their YouTube channels as a form of digital real estate. If you've got this far in the video, give yourself a pat on the back, because I'm now about to lift the veil on a guerrilla tactic which has been taking the algorithm by storm. Although it may sound too good to be true, the truth is that this method is simple. In fact, you might be surprised at just how many YouTubers, both faceless and not, are using this exact same strategy. A strategy so accessible that anyone can replicate it, even you and I. Because once you have all the pieces of the puzzle in place, it's smooth sailing. Take for instance these channels that accumulate a large number of views right away. Let me go into more detail. As you may already be aware, YouTube has an extremely lucrative partner program which pays creators ad revenue. However, they are only eligible to join after they meet certain requirements. So what some faceless YouTubers do is profit from their video based on an initial surge in traffic. And let me tell you, it's enough money to never need to post on that channel again. Hard to believe? Then you'll want to listen until the end as we share with you how to replicate this formula and make an income on day one without even being part of YPP. Take a look at this particular channel that only has 2 videos uploaded. Despite that, if you take a look at the views, they're increasing day by day. This shows that even without being a part of the YouTube Partner Program, YouTube will promote your video to the right audience, whereby you can make money in multiple ways if your content is compelling enough. This exact channel is leaving hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on the table without implementing few basic but effective money-making tips which don't require you to be a part of the YPP. You know what they say, you should never judge a book by its cover, and the same can be said for YouTube channels. It's not always about the number of subscribers a channel has, but rather the quality of content produced. It's crucial to recognize that the chance to go viral from the first couple uploads on YouTube won't last forever. It's merely a tactic that YouTube uses to motivate new creators to start their journey on the platform, ultimately to remain competitive against other big tech platforms. Just know there's a number of unknown people profiting massively by repeating this process as we speak. And if you made it this far, it only means one thing: you've dreamt about the YouTuber lifestyle before. The secrets to success on YouTube are no longer a mystery, and we're sharing everything we know. This is the only time in YouTube history where they give you a free shot to get a viral video within the first few videos you post. If you stick to our simple template and implement everything we tell you, the results will definitely follow. We've done all the hard work and shared everything you need to make this a reality, with 100% transparency. There's absolutely no reason to learn this method of growth by wasting countless hours and risking potentially thousands of dollars without a tested, proven and robust strategy. We'll walk you through every step of the process, whether you want to build a team or go it alone. Click the link in the description now to unlock the complete proven template in order for you to create your first viral video in only a matter of time.